Let's create red chimichurri. And typically people used to the chimichurri, which is like green, but this one is going to be red. And it's delicious, perfectly for your churrasco or any steak. So I'm going to chop cilantro, parsley. I already chopped my garlic. And I have here some roasted red bell peppers, which I'm going to also chop. Okay? Now, some people might feel tempted of using a blender, but that will create a paste, and you don't want that. You don't want no paste, okay? Let me get the stems out. I don't want the stems. So, you don't want a paste. So I like it to do it by hand. Actually, you can use a food processor too, but you have to be careful, okay? So chop it as small pieces as you can. These are my rose bell pepper. I bought them already like this and in strips because it makes it easier, but it doesn't matter as long as you cut them. And just cut them into small pieces. So let me start putting some of these solids. Let me start with the pepper, the roasted pepper. That's what I don't like to use any machine, because if you're not careful, it can become a paste. You don't want a paste. You know what I mean? So they're roasted, they're softer. Let me add some of my, which I mixed together here, cilantro and parsley. And I don't want the green to overtake the red. So I'm trying to do a ratio of 2 to 1. 2 times more red peppers or roasted pepper versus 1 time the combination of cilantro and parsley. I mix it up. Garlic. I have here about 4 or 5 teeth, but you don't need that much. I just happen to like garlic. 3 or 4 teeth might be sufficient. Let me add about half a teaspoon of cumin. I like to add it now. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. Help with the color and the taste. Smoked paprika. And I have some flakes here of peppers. Red peppers. See what I have? Crushed red peppers. Now, in the past, what I have used is actually red peppers, fresh, hot red pepper, which I have cut into pieces. I decided not to do that today to show you another option. Red wine vinegar. And this is half a cup. You might need more, you might need less. So whatever amount, you will determine by looking at it, okay? You know what? Let me add a little bit more. Although this is good, I want to add a tiny bit more. Just a little bit more. See? And what I like doing is a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. That gives you the touch. What I have here is about a tablespoon. Because this is a quarter of a cup, and that was half of that. So it's about 1/8 of a cup. Maybe a tablespoon would do too. Mix it up. Little bit of salt. Make sure you use fine salt, okay? Like kosher salt. Just a pinch. Mix it up. And here you have it.